my name is Sherlin Romero. I'm 18 years old, and the story I have for you today is how I learned about Ideal Institute of Technology. First off, I heard about it from a friend, but I didn't think about it too much. It wasn't very much of my interest, but because of some problems I had somewhere else, not relevant right now, I decided to come to Ideal, and I loved it. The second I got in here, the teachers, I loved the hands-on work, the projects, and the amount of love that you can feel from the staff around you and the students around you as well. I made a few friends, of course, and I love them, all of them, and they're really nice. And yeah, my best memorable moment here at Ideal was at Shop with the Cop with Miss Raagiinii. It was one of the best events that I've been to personally, and I would definitely do it again if I ever had the chance. I had to learn a lot. I had a fun experience, and it was a lot of giggles, definitely, a lot of laughs, a lot of hands-on work, and I loved it. My GED teacher was Miss Maisha. The experience I had with her was very, very nice. I liked how motivational she was, and I loved how inspirational she was at times. She was fun, she was good to laugh with, but we would always get right back to what we had to do at the end of the day. I definitely did learn a lot in the few months that I've been here, and I would come back and do it again if I had to. The teamwork here at Ideal. The teamwork here at Ideal is, as the name says it, it's a very good team. There's a lot of unity, I think that's the word, and you can feel how close they are with each other. You can feel how they all get along with each other. My next goal would be to become a psychologist. So I'll definitely look into that as much as I can. I'll learn, of course, as much as I can, and I'll go through all of that. When I got the call that I passed my GED test, I was so excited, so relieved. I remember I immediately called my parents. I was like, hey, I passed the test, finally. And my parents, they were like, oh, okay. And then they were like, we have to do something. We'll be out. We'll be right back to get you. And then when they call me, they're like, we're outside, come out. I go out, and I see my parents holding a surprise bag. When I open it, it's a camera. I was excited because they knew how much I loved working with cameras when I was in Shop with the Cop with Miss Raagiinii, and I just loved it ever since. But I love how they still remembered that I love cameras, and they got me that surprise. Focus, do your work, even if it's a little hard. You can always tell the teacher, you can always ask for help. Just do what you have to do, focus, and you'll get there. Team Ideal, you're ideally ideal, and thank you so much for having me here. Now I have found my path, and I thank you all for helping me.